Air source heat pumps. Explained. Air source heat pumps extract heat from the outside air and concentrate it for use in the home. This is possible even when the weather is cold. Here's how. 0 degrees Celsius marks the point where water freezes, but it doesn't mean no heat. No heat, or absolute zero, is minus 273 degrees Celsius. So even cold air, say minus 10 degrees, still contains plenty of usable heat. Let's see how the heat is extracted. The outside air is drawn through the unit by a fan and flows over a heat exchanger. Inside, a special liquid, called a refrigerant, is being pumped around a loop. In this part of the loop, the liquid is colder than the outside air. Heat from the air warms the liquid. Like water boiling in a kettle, it expands into vapor. The vapor is then compressed, concentrating the absorbed heat and raising its temperature even more. The hot vapor passes through a second heat exchanger, which supplies heat to the house. The cooled vapor turns back into a liquid. It is then expanded, cooling it even further, and the cycle begins again. There are two main types of air source heat pump. An air-to-air system provides warm air for heating. An air-to-water system can supply heat to radiators, underfloor heating, and hot water systems. Heat pumps need a small amount of electricity to turn heat from the environment into usable heat. Let's look at their efficiency compared with other heating systems. An electric heater turns 1 kilowatt of electricity into 1 kilowatt of heat, making it 100% efficient. An A-rated combi boiler turns 1 kilowatt of gas or oil into 0.9 kilowatts of heat, making it 90% efficient. An air source heat pump effectively turns 1 kilowatt of electricity into 2.5 kilowatts of heat. It does this by taking 1.5 kilowatts of free heat from the air. Heat pumps produce a lower output temperature than conventional heating systems. To work effectively, low temperature emitters, such as oversized radiators, may be required. The efficiency varies between systems and with outside temperature, but an air source heat pump is effective even when the outside air is minus 15 degrees Celsius. Heat pumps that meet certain criteria and are fitted by an MCS certified installer will qualify for renewable heat incentive payments.